The emergence of the world's largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, has seen an army of critics walking with it who believe the digital asset is empty and void of any real-world value. These critics are unsurprisingly the same ones who believe Bitcoin's day of reckoning is just around the corner. A balloon that has reached its capacity and is ready to explode. And yet for now, Bitcoin seems to roll along, albeit with an occasional stumble. So will it continue to maintain its footing or come crashing down? In this video, I'll break down the likely result. But first, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to stay across the latest videos from Kalkine. Let's begin by assessing Bitcoin's perceived lack of value. Perhaps the biggest criticism of crypto more broadly is that it has no real value, a legendary sentiment investor Warren Buffett has famously expressed. In an interview with CNBC in 2020, Buffett said Bitcoin had come from the hope that a holder of cryptocurrency would be able to sell to someone else for a higher amount of money. As early as 2014, Buffett criticized Bitcoin, telling CNBC that Bitcoin doesn't meet the three criteria of currency: a means of exchange, a store of value, and a unit of account. Buffett argues that Bitcoin isn't a store of value, nor is it a durable means of exchange. Bitcoin's volatility. The most damning characteristic of Bitcoin is its unpredictability and its volatility. Earlier this year, the world got a taste of just how volatile the world's largest cryptocurrency could be when it suffered a series of dramatic plummets, which saw its price go from a record $63,000 to less than 30. While it's hard to determine the influences of the crypto market, the plummet coincided with the controversy surrounding the harmful impact Bitcoin mining was having on the environment. Tesla chief executive Elon Musk was the main culprit in bringing Bitcoin's mining practices to the public's attention after he announced via Twitter that Tesla would no longer accept Bitcoin as payment for their production line. At the time, Musk cited environmental concerns as the reason for his decision. Trading in stamps. The criticism of Bitcoin piled on over the weekend as Sweden's central bank governor equated trading Bitcoin to trading in stamps. Bloomberg reported that the governor of Sweden's risk bank, Stefan Ingves, expressed that private money usually collapses, and although it's possible to get rich from trading Bitcoin, it's comparable to trading stamps. The immediate future of Bitcoin is as uncertain as always. Seemingly, whenever Bitcoin dips dramatically, it's owing to a market correction, which often has no underlying rationale. With Bitcoin continuing to climb over the 50k US mark and once again approaching its record point, previous history would indeed suggest it could be again about to ride the slide. The long-term future, according to many experts, is non-existent in terms of being a valuable commodity. If you enjoyed the information contained in this video, then make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay across the latest videos from Kalkine. For more information, just head across to the website, kalkinemedia.com. I'm James Preston for Kalkine.